Imagine a world where repetitive tasks in your business happen automatically, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. That world is within reach with Zapier, and this beginner-friendly tutorial will show you exactly how to get started. Ever felt overwhelmed by a flood of emails or data entry? Zapier is your secret weapon to tame that chaos. First things first, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. It's straightforward, and will give you access to hundreds of powerful app integrations. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the prominent Create Zap button and click it to begin building your first automation. Now we need to define what kicks off your automation. This is called the trigger. Let's say we want a new email in Gmail to spark an action, so we'll select Gmail as our trigger app. Next, choose the specific event within Gmail. For example, we can select New Email in Inbox. This means whenever a new email arrives in your Gmail inbox, your Zap will activate. Now for the action. What you want to happen after the trigger. Let's imagine we want to add a task to Google Tasks for every new important email, so we'll select Google Tasks as our action app. And the specific action, we'll choose Create Task. This tells Zapier to create a new to-do item in your Google Tasks list. Here's where the magic happens. We'll connect the information from your Gmail trigger to your Google Tasks action for the task name. We can pull in the email's subject line for the due date. Perhaps we want it due a day after the email arrives. Zapier makes this simple by letting you drag and drop or select fields from your trigger. Before turning your Zap live, it's crucial to test it. Zapier will guide you through a test run to ensure everything is connected correctly. Look for that satisfying success message. And there you have it, your first automated workflow with this simple Zap. You've just turned a manual process into an instant time saver. This is just the beginning. Explore Zapier's vast library of apps and discover how to connect your favorite tools to build incredibly powerful and efficient workflows. Start automating today.